Epinephrine, adrenaline. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, the body's rapid response and emergency signal. When people hear the word adrenaline, they think of excitement. They think of thrill-seeking. They think of heart-pounding moments. And they think of extreme sports or fear. But adrenaline is not about fun or excitement. Adrenaline is about survival. It is the body's fastest emergency signal, designed to mobilize energy and action in seconds. To understand fear, stress, and rapid response, we need to understand adrenaline properly. The history of adrenaline begins at the turn of the 20th century. In 1895, British physiologist George Oliver and scientist Edward Schaefer demonstrated that extracts from the adrenal glands had powerful effects on blood pressure. In 1971, Japanese chemist Yokichi Takamine successfully isolated the active substance and named it adrenaline. This was one of the first hormones ever identified. The discovery showed that the body uses chemical messengers to coordinate rapid whole-body responses. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is both a hormone and a neurotransmitter. It is released primarily by the adrenal medulla into the bloodstream. Unlike neurotransmitters that act locally in the brain, adrenaline circulates throughout the body. This allows it to produce widespread and immediate effects. Adrenaline prepares the entire organism for action. So what does adrenaline actually do? At its core, adrenaline mobilizes energy and enhances physical readiness. It increases heart rate and blood pressure. It redirects blood flow to muscles. It dilates airways to improve oxygen intake. It releases glucose into the bloodstream for immediate energy. All of this happens rapidly. Adrenaline does not promote careful thinking. It promotes action. Adrenaline plays a central role in the fight or flight response. When the brain detects threat, the sympathetic nervous system is activated. Adrenaline is released within seconds. This response evolved to help organisms escape danger or confront threats. In modern life, the same system is triggered by psychological stress, not just physical danger. This is why adrenaline surges can occur during public speaking, exams, or sudden emotional events. In the brain, adrenaline's role is more limited than that of norepinephrine. While norepinephrine is the primary stress-related neurotransmitter within the brain, adrenaline supports peripheral arousal and reinforces urgency. Together, they coordinate rapid alertness and bodily readiness. Adrenaline ensures the body is prepared to act when the brain signals danger. Adrenaline also affects perception and memory. During high adrenaline moments, attention narrows and focus sharpens on immediate threats. This can distort time perception, making moments feel slowed down or intensified. Adrenaline also contributes to the formation of strong emotional memories, especially those involving fear or danger. Here are 5 everyday examples of adrenaline at work. First, when your heart races after a sudden loud noise, adrenaline is driving rapid physiological arousal. Second, when you feel shaky or energized during a stressful event, adrenaline is mobilizing energy. Third, when time seems to slow during an emergency, adrenaline is sharpening focus and perception. Fourth, when you feel exhausted after intense stress, adrenaline levels are dropping after sustained activation. Fifth, when excitement turns into physical tension, adrenaline is pushing the body into action mode. There are several important facts about adrenaline that are often misunderstood. Adrenaline is not a pleasure chemical. It does not create happiness. It enhances arousal and readiness, not enjoyment. Chronic adrenaline release is harmful and contributes to stress-related illness. Adrenaline works closely with norepinephrine and cortisol. The body is designed for brief adrenaline bursts, not constant activation. Adrenaline is essential in emergencies, but problematic when activated too often. Repeated stress can lead to fatigue, anxiety, and burnout. The system that evolved to save lives can become damaging when triggered constantly by modern stressors. This is why stress management and recovery are biologically necessary, not luxuries. So, what is the big picture? Adrenaline is not about thrill. It is about survival. It is the body's rapid emergency signal. If dopamine drives pursuit, norepinephrine signals urgency, acetylcholine sharpens clarity, glutamate carries information, GABA provides braking, serotonin stabilizes mood, endorphins provides relief, oxytocin provides connection, glycine provides precision, histamine provides wakefulness, adrenaline provides action. It tells the body, move now. Understanding adrenaline helps explain stress responses, panic, fear, and why constant pressure exhausts the system.
If you enjoyed our channel, please click subscribe.